Recording.
Hope the screen is visible to all.
Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So we shall start. Myself, Chandrakala, here, today I'll be giving you a Grow Up Academy session on Qik Meeting App. So this is the very much, very good AI tool which has a automatic MOM will be recorded, and the recorded sessions that is going to automatically start recording as well. So we can record the session, and based on our what we speak, so based on that, the MOM will be generated. And if we can generate, yeah, I'll just take you through. So this is the introduction on the Qik Meeting app. So this is basically it works on a AI tool. So Qik Meeting app, this is nothing but getting started with the Qik is pretty simple and straightforward. So now I think you people might have a question like, what is this Qik Meeting app? So Qik is nothing but a smartest unified business communication and collaboration app leveraging AI-powered meeting rooms to streamline all your business communication needs, whether it's for online, in-person, or for a hybrid meetings. And it will mention with the name. See, now if I'm speaking, it will get recorded with my name. It starts with my name because the speaker, based on the speaker, it takes and it records the meeting. And if the other person on the meeting, if the some second person who will start their conversation, so based on their voice, it recognizes, and based on the speaker, it mentions the name as well. So along with the names, the meetings got recorded, and we can take the MOM, and minutes of meeting is generated. So what is Qik Meeting? You can enjoy lightning fast online meeting rooms and world's first ever in-person meeting experience. It also generates integrated minutes of meeting and highly accurate transcriptions. So Qik Meeting unifies your work schedule by seamlessly integrating various functions, including chat, scheduling online, in-person meeting, taking notes, setting agenda, sharing files, recording meetings, transcribing recordings, and automatically generates a minutes of meeting in each room. So usually in Qik Meeting app, they we can create a different meeting rooms like in person or might be with the team. So based on that, each room, whichever it is being created, so based on that, the minutes of meeting will be generated. And it takes few minutes for, depends on how big is the conversation and how long is the call. So based on that, the minutes of meeting will be generated. For example, it is a hardly 10 minutes meeting. So the minutes of meeting will be generated quickly. Whereas if it is a half an hour call or 1 hour call, so it takes some time. So example, it might take half an hour time, and then the minutes of meeting will be generated. So here we have 3 ways how to organize your meeting. Workspace, organize your meeting rooms. Availability, calendars, efficiently manage meetings, and one-on-one meetings. Collaborate more effectively. So now I have created one-on-one meeting with Komal, and need not go and send the invite often. It reduces my work. I can just go ask her to join the meeting, and I can just go and join from that same link. So which is, if we once create the room and keep it ready, that is enough. So we can go and join on the same link. So I'll just show it to you how it looks like. So if you have to download Qik, you will have to go to this particular website and download it. And this is how it looks like when you start from the, when you start installing it. And if you want to install a Qik you on your Android device, so you can just go to Play Store link, and with the help of this link, you can install your Qik Meeting app. And this is actually, for few meetings, it has a free version. Whereas later on, as on when it increases with the number of meetings, example, it has some, I'm not sure with the numbers. So it has some sufficient data which has been stopped for that particular thing. Till that particular thing, you can use it on a free version. But after that, you will have to go for a paid version. So sign into Qik Meeting, click on the user, and select the quick meeting tour. So once you sign in with your once you go to your Google search and give if you could give it as quick meeting tour, and here you have an option, so that will take you to the complete, inside and out, or how it works and all that. So it gives a complete demo on the quick meeting app. Then coming to this, how to schedule meeting. Navigate your desired meeting rooms. Click on the schedule icon. Provide a purpose or a title of the agenda for the meeting and schedule the meeting page. Then select the date and set the start and end time for the meeting. So this is same how we do it for Gmeet, Zmeet. It works in the same procedure. And if you want to invite other users, click on users icon and then add the email IDs. You can add along with your mobile number as well, email IDs as well. Both it will work. Yeah, click the schedule button to confirm the meeting details. And your meeting is now scheduled and ready to go. So it is very simple, like how we use it on the Gmeet, Zmeet, it is applicable on the same way. It's not that complicated one. And it is user friendly as well. And if you want notifications, so you can go and click on enable notification. So how we get a notification on our Gmeet and Cmeet, the same way it will give us a intimation once we have scheduled any meeting. Then follow the instructions in the pop-up to enable the notification. So we have to follow the instructions based on that. So this is the website link. So you can visit for this website link. So remember, and you can access Quick Meeting app from anywhere with quick.mt. So I'll just take you through this Quick Meeting app. I'll just stop the screen share for a couple of minutes. This app, I'm using it in my client place. So I found it very user friendly. So we can try with free versions, which is available, and we can, give a trial meeting. So that I'll just log into the meeting app and then share the screen. Please give me a minute. See, I have these many meeting rooms which has been created. So if there is any, see, this is actually continuously I'll be using it. So I have just created as my co-founder's workspace. So whichever the meeting she asked me to create, I'll go and create it here. And once the meeting is done, so I'll show it to you like how it works. So here, this is nothing but, okay, I'll create a fresh meeting so that we will understand. It's easier to get. Okay, here we have to plus option to go create a new workspace. As of now, I can go and create a one-on-one, and I'll create a one-on-one with, okay, so I'll have to use different room. See, it will ask for the email ID. So here I would like to give, Komal, is it okay? I'll give your mail ID.
Yes, yes, sure. Sorry, I was on mute.
I'll click on create. So now I got an intimation, might be even Komal might have received the intimation. And so now the room is created for Komal. So with her mail ID, I have given and created. And this shows here we can add a number of users as well. Even though it is one-on-one, if we want to add anybody, we can add. And click, once we give their email ID or contact number, so anything that we can give, and and whatever the option that we can give here is owner, editor, and user. So if they are only the user, we just want them to attend the meeting, and if we want them to leave, if it is a third party, So in that case, we will not give them editor access. We will give only user access so that they will attend the meeting and leave. And we will be sharing the MOM for them if it is required. Or else we will not share it. It will be kept for the internal purpose. And here, if I give owner, I will be owner of that room, or I can give access for Komal as well. So based on the requirement, this can be changed. So once this user is created, I can go and click on this schedule and select the meetings. And here I will be selecting the time. Example for tomorrow, if I'm scheduling, here the calendar comes up. And this is also very much useful. If I want to have the calendars merged for my client. So I do access my client's calendar with the help of this tool. So once I go to my one-on-one and click for Jitesh Anand, so his calendar will be popped up. That means if he is busy, I can make out if I have to go to schedule. So it will let me know what is his schedule. So if he has anything that if he has blocked this calendar, that means we have to synchronize or merge the Google Calendar of how much ever, like say now I'm using, as of now, 3 email IDs that I'm using. One is grow up mail ID, one is trainer mail ID, other one is my client mail ID. So all these three, if I'm going to merge it, so all my meetings, whichever I have scheduled, so I can look from here. If my client has scheduled meetings, whether he's busy or not, I can check his calendar from here because he's already merged it and I have access to his calendar. So that actually, if it has to be provided from the person, if they provide only, then we can access. So based on that, I can look into his calendars, blocking, and then I can go and schedule the meeting and set the time. I'll just come out of Chitesh Anand and I'll go to Komal. Yeah. So here, if I'll go and create a meeting for tomorrow, say, 11 a.m. So here I should select, and here again we have to move, click on that particular thing so that it will come. Okay, and done. So now the meeting is, the timings has been done, date has been selected and scheduled. So it automatically, the link will be shared to Komal. The invite has gone to Komal. So if it is a third person, then if they are not able to access their mails or they will attend from their phone, in that case, if they don't have their laptop, so in that case, what I could do is I can go to this, just 1 minute. Here I can go to meeting scheduled. Sorry. So here actually I do get an option of sharing that invite. So if I go to
Ma'am, I guess this can might happen because Komal hasn't accepted your request yet.
no,
So
no, no,
maybe the
not
option is
on
not
that
popping
basis.
up.
No, no, not on that basis.
Okay.
1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. I think there is some problem that I have to unlock the settings, then it will happen. So I'll just show it you. See here, I will get that share option. So from here, I can click on that share, copy this link and send it via WhatsApp. So this link, once I copy and copy and paste it on a WhatsApp, that will be, we can attend the meeting from the phone as well. So yeah, Komal is accepted the invite, I think. I'll just show it you how the link, looks like once we share the meeting link. I'll take. So here, once I paste this link and send it, this is how it looks like. So this is the meeting app, how it's look. Once we share it. So once we just click on this and we can attend the meeting. I just wanted to show how it looks like. So yeah, Komal is accepted the invite now. See, we will get our profile pics and from here, the chat, whatever it has been recorded and notes in the meeting and to-do list, it will get created automatically, it generates. I'll show you, for example, one meeting which has been happened, which has been done long back. So if I want to go to this, I can go here. See, here I can go and click on the recordings. I'll get that recordings of that meeting. If I play, so that recordings, whatever it has been discussed in the meeting, it will start. And see, whatever we have spoke in that meeting, so it arrives here. So this is generated by the AI tool. And it will not take all these recordings. From these recordings, it will just come up with few lists. If we want this complete recordings also, we can take. If not, if we want only a to-do list, or it creates with its own to-do list, so that we can go and edit that and remove the unwanted things, like whatever we are going to ask, like, can you hear me? So these kind of things, we can just go and edit it and delete it. So this is the discussion
What
and this is
about
the minutes.
MOM? Can you show
Yeah,
us
this
the
is the
MOM?
minutes. So the 1 minute comment. Recently, I had done some interview, so I'll show based on that. So for this interview, so I have to share their minutes with some other person. So in that case, I will go click on this minute. No, just 1 minute. It is coming up with so many lists. Just give me a minute. They have purchased this app. So I have a contact person, so where I can go and reach the technical team so that they will be resolving these issues. So these are the general technical issues. Sometimes it comes up, but or else it will be working fine. So once we click on minutes, so it will come up with the minutes. And when I click on to-do list, so it will generate a to-do list. And from there, it will pick up some points and prepare a to-do list from there. So here we have all the options. So once we just click on this particular apps, request, we will be getting the info on that. So if we want, we can do one trial session and check, and I'll be sharing the screenshot of that later of that minutes of meeting. Okay, let me try here whether it is available. Yeah, this is the complete minutes. And here, to select the speaker, it is asking for. Discussion points. Okay, it has come up here. So action items, it will pick up from the discussion. At the end of the call, whatever we discuss. So in that case, the main points, whichever is been selected, that will be selected
Yes,
as action points. Any doubts?
Are these recordings available, or is there any, expiry like after 1 month or 2 months?
That is
Sometimes
what
it will
now
go
the
to
question
pay.
is arrived at my end as well, because I'm not able to view. But with Jitesh Anand, this call was done very long back. But for the long minutes, whichever was generated, that was for 1 hour session. So that one I need to check whether they have some
Okay.
technical issues for that or what. Just 1
Okay.
minute.
From here, yeah.
I'm sorry, please. Yes, Srilekha, continue.
So from here, can we connect to Google Calendar and put it on the Google Calendar?
Yeah, there we
To our
have an
Google
option
Calendar.
called synchronize calendar.
Hmm.
I'll show you. See, once I go to. Okay, I'll just show it from here. So here we have an option called synchronize calendar. I'm going to. So here, she is the person who will help us technically. So whenever I face any issues, I'll contact Pujita. So she will be helping me out. So once we go and click on this schedule, so it will ask for here. So here we can go and add the contact person mail ID and synchronize their calendar. So it will ask for the option here as well. So we have to add here, and then it will pop up with the synchronize once we give the option. See, enable email sending, and then we can select for that. And here, this is the how to set agenda. So at the agenda of the meeting, we can give it here. So once, both the side, they have to give the calendar permission as well. So only then we will be able to look into that. This is already synchronized. So here, I can view, see, Pujita is busy. So this is already synchronized. So I can see her calendar from here that it is already blocked. So for today at 12 p.m., 1 p.m., she was busy.
Okay.
I think if I click on Komal's, I might get that option. Yeah, we need to connect on a call. So then it will ask for the option, and from there we can go and get the calendar synchronized.
Is there any limitation?
Yeah, I think for free version, there is a limitation for sure. And if we have a paid version, then it is not, it is how much ever we want to use, we can use. It is, I don't know what is the page version cost and all that. So we can take the cost details from them for if you want to use it on a paid version. But for free version, yes, of course, you can do up to some 10 meetings. I think it can be done. But again, even that depends on how it is, how long is that meeting schedule. If it is for half an hour's meeting, you can do it approximate 5 to 6 meetings, I think. And if it is 1 hour, yeah, charges, I think it is monthly, they will charge, or might be for new startup
10
companies.
meetings?
10 meetings
10
we can do. 10 meetings we can do it. Yeah, that depends again, Soumya. If the call is for 1 hour, in that case, they have some fixed data for that. Like how we have our, Google Drive, we have a storage limit, no? Like that, they have a limit for that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any doubts?
So far, nothing. Once we start using, maybe we can get doubts.
Yeah, I'll be, in case if you people start using, if you find any difficult, I'll come up with that minutes of meeting. Once we click on that minutes of meeting, it will reflect automatically along with the points. Like this, I showed one. But the other meetings that was done for 1 hour, there might be some technical errors, so only it is not reflecting. Or else even that was working fine. So, for that interview, whatever the questions that I asked and the candidate, whatever they've answered, so that complete thing, I copy pasted in one document and shared to the concerned person. So when they are busy, so it can be done from me and I will be giving those recordings to them, and based on that, they will be selecting. Like how did they respond and all that. So they evaluate based on that. So it is a very good tool where if the founders are busy and co-founders are busy, so they ask me to schedule and take the interview. So based on that, I will be giving the recordings. I'll stop the recording.